Yes, children, good morning, all of you. Today we are discussing reported speech and tenses. I shall be giving you a few exercises, and in your rough copies right now, you would be doing them. And after doing them, answers shall be given by me, and we would discuss them together. Right? See, before I begin actually with whatever I am about to give you, I have to give you a few instructions regarding the exams which are about to begin. Okay? Just as an example, I've written, see, have a look here. Tenses you have been doing. Class 5 onwards, I say. 5 to class 9, you've already done your tenses. So, just a revision would be done for you. Just explaining that in case there is a sentence like this, which is there on the board, the train dashed before we dashed the station. In case this is the sentence with 2 blanks provided in it. Now, the options to written on the board, left, reached, had reached, left, had reached, had left, reached. These are the 4 options which would be provided to you in the examination paper. What you have to see to is that both the options, both the answers should be correct. Okay, then only your correct choice will be accepted. If you say A, as for me, just one is the right answer. You can see very well. Out of the 4 options, A, B, C, D, just one is right now. So which one is right wherein both the blanks should be correct? So read the sentence very carefully and then choose the correct option. Don't hurry. Grammar can be either scoring, it could be losing if you hurry with your answers. So study well the grammar, like you have to know the grammar well. It is the main, what do we call it, conceptual learning of the English language. Okay? So according to this statement, the correct answer should be had left, reached. Why so? Because when 2 actions take place, the action which has taken place before, in 2 action means you reach the station and train left. So which action took place before? So for that we use always the past perfect. And for the second action, it's simple past. Okay? Because आपके पहुंचने से पहले ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. So action which took place prior to the next action, obviously, it would be having past perfect, and the second one would be having simple. Yeah? That's why I'm saying, be it the literature part or be it the grammar part. Please do the paper very carefully. Don't hurry. Okay? As far as the literature is concerned, in literature again I would say, read your textbook. Read your NCERT available. Read it very well. Every line should be read. Keep in mind all the poetic devices. Okay? So, if you are prepared well, obviously you'll score well. Fine? Now, as far as the revision is concerned, let's begin with that. Reported speech plus tenses. Keep your rough copies with you right now in front of me. Okay? And do the answers. You do the answers and then we'll discuss them together. Then you correct and then you give yourself marks whether you were right or wrong. Okay? We begin with the reported speech exercises first. You know very well that it would be in the dialogue form. You have done it in 9th already. Dialogue form. And in the dialogue, it's basically doing what? Changing the direct speech statements to be indirect. So here the dialogue has not been given, yes, individual statements we are discussing. I am waiting at the bus stop. You do the answer in your copy. I'll discuss all the answers at last. Quick, take out your rough copies and do the answers. Second, we will set off tomorrow. Then the next would be, means the statement would be on Friday, they said. Third, get out of my way. He ordered us dash of his way. Keep doing it along with me. I invited him last week. She told me this week that she had invited him. Complete it. I will resign today. This morning, the minister announced that he would resign. Keep doing the answers yourself. Okay, now the next sentences. She had better refuse this job. He insisted that she dash that job. We used to take the same medicine. She thought that dash the same medicine. Next, keep doing it along with you. It is time we had an agreement. She suggested that it was time we dash an agreement. We must go skiing in winter. He said that they dash skiing in winter. I wouldn't go there if I were you. Betty claimed she wouldn't go there if she dash me. I caught a cold while I was waiting at the bus stop. Daniel told us that he caught a cold while he dashed at the bus stop. Next. He has fallen in love with Julie. Sam told me about Derek. Sam told me dash in love with Julie. Okay. Now the statements which we did, they all were regarding the change of tenses plus the assertive ones which we did, along with those include assertive plus imperative. Now here all the next few ones are all the interrogative statements. The interrogative. Okay, I'm reading for you. Keep doing it in your notebook, children. Christopher, do you want to dance? Christopher asked me, dash. Betty, when did you come? Betty wanted to know, dash. Mark, has John arrived? Mark asked me, dash. Ronald, where does Maria park her car? Ronald asked me, dash. Keep doing it fast, thinking that yes, it's your test going on right now. Elizabeth, did you watch the latest film? Elizabeth asked me, dash. Mandy, can I help you? Mandy wanted to know, dash. Andrew, will Mandy have lunch with you? Andrew asked me, dash. Justin, what are you doing? Justin asked me, dash. Frank, how much pocket money does Lisa get? Frank wanted to know, dash. While you are watching the video, children, do the statements. After taking a screenshot, try out the statements yourself. Okay. Then the part wherein I tell you the answers, listen to it later. Be sincere to yourself. Be sincere to yourself. It would be for your benefit only. Okay? Annie, must I do the shopping? Annie asked. Christopher, do you want to dance? Christopher asked me. Dash. Betty, when did you come? Betty wanted to know. Dash. Mark, has John arrived? Mark asked me. Dash. Ronald, where does Maria park her car? Ronald asked me. Dash. Elizabeth, did you watch the latest film? Elizabeth asked me. Dash. Mandy, can I help you? Wait, why do I feel some of the statements are repeated? Okay, the last few are repeated to you. Okay, the ones which are repeated, you may skip them. See the 18th one. Justin, what are you doing? Justin asked me. Okay, these were all of reported speech. Now we are discussing the answers for each statement from the very first one. Okay, listen to them carefully, and if you did them wrong in your notebook, please correct them. He told me that he was waiting. He was waiting at the bus stop. We will set off tomorrow. On Friday, they said that they would set off the next day. Third one, he ordered us to get out of his way. So here it would be to get out. Next, she told me this week that she had invited him the previous week. Next, this morning, the minister announced that he would resign that day. Today changes to that day. Next, he insisted that she had, see, had remains had. So had better refused that job. Next, we used to take the same medicine. She thought that we used to take the same medicine. Here no changes would be made. She suggested that it was time we had. Had remains the same. had an agreement. Next, he said that they must go. Must also remains the same. If you remember the table which I had explained you for the reported speech, I told you that certain things remain the same. They don't change. Okay. So, must also doesn't change. They must go skiing in winter. I wouldn't go there if I were you. Betty claimed she wouldn't go there if she had been me. Okay, word changes to had been. I caught a cold while I was waiting at the bus stop. Daniel told us that he caught the cold while he had been waiting. Okay, was changes to had been. Means was waiting changes to had been waiting. Next, he has fallen in love. Sam told me that he had fallen in love. Okay, this much clear. Now we proceed to the questions. Christopher asked me if I wanted to dance. Betty wanted to know. Betty, the question is, when did you come? So Betty wanted to know, when had I come? Yeah, when I had come. Preferable is when I had come. Okay. Mark has John arrived. Mark asked me if John had arrived. If you remember the rule for the interrogative statements, if it's WH questions or that how questions, then in that case, it begins as it is. And when it's the other question wherein the answer is expected in yes or no, if and when it is used. Yes. This is a WH question, the fourth one. Where does Maria park her car? Don't ask me, where did Maria park her car? Elizabeth, did you watch the latest film? This is a yes or no question. Elizabeth asked me if I had watched the latest film. Next, Mandy, can I help you? Mandy wanted to know if she could help me. Mandy is asking, okay, can Mandy help you? So that means it's Mandy wanted to know if she could help me. Andrew, will Mandy have lunch with you? Andrew asked me if Mandy would have lunch with you. Justin, what are you doing? Justin asked me what I was doing. Frank, how much pocket money does Lisa get? Frank wanted to know how much pocket money did Lisa get. Okay. See, these are the ones which have been repeated. Now we switch over to the tenses part. See here. This is the way which I expected you and I explained you. If there are two blanks, you would get full marks if you are choosing both the answers as correct. For the swimming pool, dash at 9 o'clock and dash at 18:30 every day. 18:30, 6:30 evening. So both should be correct. Is opening, is closing, opens, closes, has opened, has closed, open, closed. Here, just because it's something which is taking at a daily basis, a habitual thing, habitual action. So it closes and opens. So present, simple present tense would be coming. So B is correct. See the second one. The Olympic Games dash place every 4 years. Okay, so they again are held after every 4 years. So this again something which is habitual. So here, take place. Okay. Third one, look that man dash to open the door of your car. Look that man means something is happening in front of you. So in that case, is trying. Happening in front of you means present continuous. D is correct here. Look at the river. It dash very fast today, dash much faster than usual. Look, see, look means something there in front of your eyes. So look at the river. It dash very fast today, dash much faster than usual. So is flowing. Sorry, here the second one is not a blank. Okay, only the first is a blank. So is flowing. Fifth statement. We usually dash vegetables in our garden, but this year we dash any. See the statement again. We usually dash vegetables in our usually means habitual, but this year we dash any. So the options are growing, don't grow, grew, haven't grown, grow, aren't growing, grow, don't grow. So the first blank is very clear, it would be grow. We usually grow, okay? But this year we aren't growing any. Usually we grow, but this year we are not growing any. In this case, haven't grown also is acceptable. But this would means you in the exam wouldn't be having any such option with two correct choices. And moreover, if haven't grown you consider acceptable, then grew is wrong. Got my point? So if the second one is correct, first one is wrong. Basically, the main thing is both have to be correct if you wish to get complete marks. Both have to be correct, both have to agree. Next. See the sixth one. Usually I dash parties, but I dash this one very much. So usually, simple present. So usually I enjoy parties, but dash this one very much, but I am enjoying. Yeah, I'm not enjoying. Whatsoever present continuous it would be there. So the first one goes well with that. It dash quite often in Britain during this winter. Okay, simple present. So simple present is B, snows. Eighth one. Normally I dash to bed at around 11:30 every night. Again something which is habitual. So normally I go. So C is correct. Next. There is something wrong with Light's car at the moment, so she dashed to work by bus this week. Okay. So there is something wrong with her car at the moment, so she by bus this week. So is going, she is going. The river Thames dash through London. Something which is taking place or something which is a well-known fact. So flow. Fine. So this is the way basically the exercise has been done to convey you that both the options should be correct for your being evaluated or being given complete 2 marks. Okay. Now here I am giving you an exercise. Take a screenshot of it and do it yourself. The options are provided. This time I dash on the beach. Am lying, will be lying. Second, she said that she dash help me. Will, shall, would. Phone me when you dash time. Have, would have, will have. Do it in your copies just now. Do them. Okay. I will follow you wherever you dash. Go, goes, will go. Keep writing the correct answers fast. You dash an accident if you go on the driving like that. are having, will have, would have. Had there been an online class, I would have taken the test and asked you. But whatsoever, a recorded video, it's okay. Still, I expect you all to be sincere with yourself. Next, when you phoned, I dash in the garage. Worked, am working, was working. Next, I dash all my childhood in South India. Was spending, spent. The phone dashed while I was having a bath. Rings, rang, was ringing. See, suppose in this statement, you cannot say rings because it's not that every time you go for a bath and the phone rings. Rings means something which takes place like very frequently or very occasionally or usually. So rings is anyways wrong. So rang and was ringing what is appropriate. I tried a little of the soup to see how it dashed. Tastes is tasting, tasted. When we were children, we dash our own toys. Were making, made, had made. Next, I can't dance because I dash my leg. Have broken, broke, had broken. Next, I dashed the bell 6 times, but no one opened the door. Was ringing, have rung, rang. Okay, these were the statements of filling in the correct tense. I hope all of you did in your notebooks along with me. Okay, now I am telling you the answers. Tally all the answers. If yours was correct, put a tick mark. If it was wrong, then again refer to the grammar rules and see why you made a mistake, where you were wrong. Okay, check all the answers which you did. This time tomorrow, I will be lying. She said that she would help me. Phone me when you have time. I will follow you wherever you go. You will have an accident if you go on driving like that. When you phoned, I was working. I spent all my childhood. The phone rang while I was having a bath. I tried a little of the soup to see how it tasted. When we were children, we made our own toys. I can't dance because I have broken my leg. I rang the bell 6 times, but no one opened the door. So these were the answers. And with this, we discussed 2 topics for our exams: reported speech, plus the tenses. Tomorrow we shall be doing another topic. Okay, and like this way, the revision test shall go on for you for this week. Expecting that you all also would be doing other questions in other grammar books, whichever you have with you. Okay, so study well, take care of yourself, goodbye.